we all know 2020 कितना ज़्यादा stressful था, if I put it that way, and how much we wanted a break. And that is why I decided to come here. Now I am at a place that is a naturopathy center near Mumbai. It's in Urli Kanchan, which is just an hour's drive from Pune. You know, our body is like a vehicle which needs servicing, and if you are looking for a place जहाँ पे you can, you know, detox your body, you can take care of your body, and honestly बोलूँ, this is just the right service center for your body. पहले एपिसोड में आपने देखा होगा my experience quarantining in this place, the admission process and getting my room. Today's episode and today's video is going to be my proper day in this place. #day in my life. सुबह के 5:30 बजे. I woke up like this. Good morning, it's time for yoga. यहाँ पे 5 o'clock से ना योगा सेशन स्टार्ट होते हैं and 5:15, 6:15 and 6 o'clock. There are 3 batches for 3 different people. The doctor will assign you whichever batch you have to attend. तो मुझे 6:15 का batch attend करना, that's the power yoga वाला. So let's go. Everybody sleeps like around 10, 10:30 तक ऐसे, मतलब I think मैं तो सो जाती हूँ because जल्दी उठना होता है. And then you know, people even start walking. If you don't want to attend कोई yoga session, तो you can even just, you know, have a stroll, have a morning walk. And यहाँ पे मतलब मेरा ऐसा aim था जब मैं यहाँ आई थी कि early in the morning उठने का आदत हो जाए. Yoga session is done. Time for some काढ़ा. सुबह के 7:30 बजे.
Venha comigo ver o pôr do sol.
Cheers with a काढ़ा early in the morning. 7 a.m. to 7:30 time होता है जब काढ़ा मिलता है. And the काढ़ा, if you ask me what is made of, तो jaggery, तुलसी, अदरक as well as lemongrass. And jaggery का proportion तो तुम अपने हिसाब से कर सकते हो. And it's yummy. I really love it. Go away. Thank you. After the काढ़ा is done, you go then to your treatment center because फिर तुम्हारी massages, your water treatments, तो जो डॉक्टर ने prescribe किया, all of that starts. And in between, there are times then you have to come back and forth for your juices. Like you have your vegetable juice and then your fruit juice. So हम लोग को जो assign किया, we are going to have that. And I'm going to take you and walk you through that also. मसाज के क्लोथ्स अलग होते हैं. So let's go change up. #massage time. It's 8 a.m. and it's time for my massage. Your tissues, your body, your mind completely relaxes in the massage therapy. The pay date for the masseuses is on a Sunday or any time that you want to check out. And together साथ में you pay them. 120 is the minimum rate and it extends up to 200 depending on your body type. Let's get the massage done. #with my favorite girl. Glow up after the massage is so freaking real. My body is all lapetofied in oil. So at 9 o'clock, it's time that I have my carrot doodhi juice. Sounds थोड़ा weird, but it actually tastes only carrot. Super hungry now. मसाज के बाद तो भूख ऐसे लगती है ना जैसे कि tell me about it. Let's have our juice. morning 9 a.m. With a kick-ass dose of vitamin A with the carrot doodhi juice. You know, it's funny, I never had these juices ghar pe, but it's just put me a habit since 7 days, and I'm sure I'm gonna, continue this. Ghar pe juicer to hai. When you come here for mud therapy or in the afternoon का जो session होता है ना, उसमें you're going to be welcomed with this melodious singer there. Given the introduction, now it's time that you actually hear her.
हंसते हंसते जिंदगी में कर लिया शामिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा.
माशी
चांगला आला का आवाज?
हो खराब कसं येईल? The amla haldi juice very good for the skin, and they don't use the powder amla. वो जो natural हल्दी होता है ना, you can taste that, very healthy. नारियल पानी कैसे keeps you full ना? So after this we'll go to the doctor and then we'll have some नारियल पानी. I'm waiting for my roomie to open the door. Hashtag appointment done. Doing with all the massage and everything and the doctor's appointment, it's time we go to the physio wali. Shit. So physiotherapist के पास visit करना, and then we'll go to have some coconut water and then we'll have some lunch. So here's Soumya and Anushka, and they have helped me cure. This was my physiotherapy 5th session, and thank you guys and all the very best for your future. And I'll see you guys next year if you guys are here. Okay? Bye. Thank you. Time for some nariyal pani. Super hungry and super thirsty. Hashtag happy kids.
You have to walk when I walk.
No, we were on the opposite end. It's almost 12 o'clock and it's time for our lunch. We'll go have our lunch and then rest for a bit. Hashtag food time. दोपहर के 12:30 बजे. Everybody here gets exactly what the doctor prescribes. आधा ग्राम भी ज़्यादा they won't give you. तब कितना भी you beg नहीं. So make sure तुम डॉक्टर से बात करके you get according to what your appetite is and don't starve here. There's no point in starving. Now we'll go to the library because I've heard they have an amazing collection of recipe books and also some naturopathy ka knowledge wala books. So let's go check out the library today. inside the library library currently, और library में बहुत सारे books हैं. How you can cure yourself through naturopathy, as well as you can even get masks. A few bags here that is also available. So benches bhi hai where you can just sit, relax and read, or you can even read in your room. You can issue any book that you want to, and in the end just return it to them and take the signatures from the library. You know, the maid service here is very good. Now there comes one maid alternate days who cleans your room as well as your bathroom. वो तुम्हारे room के rent में ही होगा. So that's a very good thing. Also your bed sheets and your pillow covers, everything will be changed alternate days, and that is also like the best room service that you get here. One maid who you can hire to, you know, wash your clothes. So 30 rupees the washing wali will take, and make sure you get hot water. So I got my cottage, and cottage में कैसे solar panels ऊपर लगाए हैं, पर मुझे गर्म पानी मिल नहीं रहा था. So I went to the office, I told them, so they took care of that. So, you know, make sure if you have any issues, go to the office and tell them that you have an issue. So 12:30 to 2 o'clock सब कुछ शांत हो जाता है. Everybody just go back to sleep and, you know, rest. 2:15 to 2:45 there's a yoga and a pranayam session here in the yoga hall. This is the hall where you have the session, and once that is done 3 o'clock it's kada time again.
दोपहर के 3:30 बजे.
Wished 400 ml देती यार. It's Mossambi juice time. The only thing, you know, पूरे दिन में that keeps us going is अभी Mossambi juice का time आएगा, because that's something that is voluntarily we love it, and Naseeb se doctor has prescribed this to us. Not everybody gets this cup of happiness, but yeah, we were lucky enough to get this from the doctor. They give you 200 ml only, na kam na zyada. That's it.
दोपहर के 4:30 बजे.
From 4:30 to 5:30 there are lectures conducted by doctors, and they are very, very insightful, and it's important that you gain that knowledge, and once you go back home, how do you implement it? So I just attended one session from the doctor I was going to, Dr. Lavanya, and it was a very wonderful session. I would definitely recommend you guys कि जभी भी whenever you come to this place, don't miss it out. 4:30 to 5:30, 1 hour. It's like enlightenment wala feeling आता है once you just come out of that place and understand the fact कि our body is a temple that we're staying in, and it needs servicing, and here if you come to this place you're giving it the right servicing that it needs. Well, it's 5 o'clock and it's time for a jog. सब लोग यहाँ पे they go for a walk, so it's told by the doctor कि keep walking, and you have a very big surrounding. तुम आराम से like 1 घंटे में around 6 kilometers cover कर सकते हो if you go around about. Don't worry, don't forget to carry your sport shoes, because walking के लिए of course you need that. So let's go. वॉक तो कंप्लीट हो चुका है, 6:30 बज चुके हैं. 5:30 to 6:30 इज आवर डिनर टाइम. तो जस्ट बिफोर डिनर क्लोजेस हम जाके पहुंच जाएंगे, बिकॉज 7 o'clock सब कुछ स्टार्ट हो जाता है यहाँ पे. एंड आज कैसे ऑलमोस्ट सेकेंड लास्ट डे है, एंड देखते हैं आज खाने में क्या है. 2-3 दिनों से बहुत यमी यमी खाना मिल रहा है रात को. अदिति वहाँ गुस्से में खड़ी है. चलो भूख लगा है. Let's have dinner. No, I will never take her. Spoil एकदम. I don't know why we're still recording. taking your angry face. I'm of course will miss you. आज तो किराए पता है.
Don't cry and all.
Hashtag friends for life.
दोपहर को like for the first time we got some salt. नहीं तो यहाँ पे it's almost salt less खाना, which is good. Like detox मतलब कम salt, all of that कम ना. This is what Ruchi?
रात के 7:15 बजे. 7:15 to 8:45 is the prayer as well as meditation or tratak time, and that is when your body completely relaxes and you are in a very good state of mind before you go to bed. Evening 8:30 p.m. If you want to work, you can sit down in the office and work for some time, or else you can just play badminton and call it a day. This was episode number 2. The episode number 3 is going to be talking to people, their experiences, sharing my experience, things you need to get when you come here. And this was it for today's video. मैं आपको मिलूंगी next video में next Friday. Bye bye.
No, somehow आज मुझे लोग ही नहीं दिख रहे. नहीं तो हमेशा देर लाइक पीपल क्लैशिंग की है हाय करने के लिए. बट नाउ आई समहाउ व्हेन आई वांट टू नो एंड यू नो लाइक काइंड ऑफ इंटरव्यू एंड टेक द छोटा सा फीडबैक फ्रॉम दीज पीपल, मुझे कोई दिख ही नहीं रहा रास्ते में. देखते हैं